Guys, welcome back everybody. Welcome back to Learn Forex with Ease. This is Samanyide, and in today's class we'll be talking about what we call market outlook. And then of course many of you guys are super excited to hear that because you know that you're gonna be making money this next following week. And we used to come here every weekend to discuss and to tell you our buyers and what we intend to see, what to see in the market, and to have an interaction, what is possible of happening in the market, and how you guys can make money as well. Without wasting much of our time, let's go into the action. Last week, I gave us some trade, and most of them played out perfectly well. In this class, I won't be talking about that. You can go watch the video. I'll be doing a separate video on that, so you can watch that. But in this one, I'm going to point out some of the things we'll be looking out for. Past weeks, months, and we have been enjoying a winning streaks and a good winning rate so far. And of course, our students have been giving us a good and nice feedback. But today, I'm looking at one of my first pair. I'm looking at is what EURJPY. I want you to come back here. This formation I've seen it before. When market does this and goes here, and it end up coming back. This is not the end, the destination at which we start moving. So I'm expecting a comeback after you broke this about trend line, a comeback for this trend line or something around here. Then I can enter for a long. That is for EURJPY. For gold, the gold digger guys, gold digger, gold digger, gold digger, gold digger. How you doing? Unfortunately, we saw an opportunity on gold over the weekend, but market closed. I was so pained. I was like, what the fuck? Why? Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. I hope it can open that we can make money once it's open. I was about to enter. I was just waiting for my hand to win. Come on, guys. This is a buy, man. Come on, we're waiting about 10 pips. This is crazy. Just wait for this. Market just break this away. Let me show you why. Let me show you. While looking for gold a buy, and you see, market touches our trend line, touches our trend line yet second time, touches our trend line first time, second time, then this is third time, and then this is what a bit engulfed. The market just engulfed this. Let me show you very well in the clear picture. Let me show you in a clear picture. Can you see this double bottom market engulf this? Market engulf this pair. Can you show you? And it's about to what? And it's about to what? And can you see now? Market took away this last low and it break our trend line and it's about to retest. Once test under this place, put our stop loss here, then we can long. A massive one, just like the way we did this about here. The way we did it around this place, and we made a lot of money. Everybody made a lot of money. At this point, I didn't even put there. We make since here we'll be making it. We made a lot of money over the week. This on good. This place over the week. That was last week. We made a lot of money. Yeah. We got our hands someone around here and we made a lot of money last week on gold. Same thing is about to happen. It same formation exactly this place till almost this point. We made a lot of money on gold. Till almost this point. A lot on gold. A lot. A lot of money on gold. A lot. Till almost this point. A lot. But we took our support around here also. So we didn't catch it to that extent. So now same thing is about to happen again. Come on. So don't miss it, guys. This is a good long of gold. Once market opens, you should be positioning for something like that. Aside from that, I'm also looking at this baby GBPJPY. I'm looking at a long as well on GBPJPY as well. I'm looking at a long. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go there. Awesome. Awesome. I'm super excited, super amazing because this did come back to here. I'm expecting it to come back here. Let me show you guys. I'm expecting it to have a move. I'm expecting it to come back here. This formation is showing a more or less exhaustion. And once it come back here, once it comes back here, then we can long push. I'm open to long GJ. Aside from that, I'm also open to long CACJPY. Can you see this formation already? This one shows that what exhaustions. Whenever we are here, we rejected, we are here, rejected. Again, the third time again, we should reject on this line. This is what we call head. This is a shoulder. This is a shoulder. Then I'm expecting the third shoulder here again, then I can long. So when I'm here, the third shoulder, so that we can have as many shoulders as you want. For price is one head. That head and shoulder is valid. So I'm expecting them come back here. You can scalp the sell, but I'm willing to long because the long will be so mighty. Yeah, I'm willing to long. It will be so mighty, guys. That's the fourth trade. Another trade I'm looking at for the new week is USDCHF. This is definitely a very sweet trade as well. I'm super excited for this week. As a matter of fact, I was actually expecting it to play out last week on Friday, but unfortunately, there were the US holiday and the king market was fucking slow, sluggish, and of course, we don't have any move. So I expected it to start moving by Monday, tomorrow, or by Tuesday. The move should definitely begin, and it should be mighty and crazy. See this one, this is a double bottom and expecting it to still come down a bit. I do not believe that this is about to go yet. It should come back a bit here, then we can long. Turn on 1 year, or even do a liquidity graph. So this is more or less a bit technical. I'm setting a liquidity graph at this point. Might come back to my liquidity graph at this point, but any coming back at this point, I'm willing to long. But if the market takes away this, you can long, guys. Come back at this point, I'm willing to long. Come back here, I'm willing to long somewhere around here. Let's set it to come back. But if it doesn't come back, so if it breaks away this last high here, then I'll join the buy at this point here. At this point, then I'll adjust my stop loss somewhere around here, or put my stop loss at this point where we have it last night. That's how I'm gonna be trading this. I think the last one is USDJPY. The last one, yeah, I remember this. This is also a good one. Can you see? I already placed my stop somewhere around here. It hasn't broken it. I'm expecting to break it. Once it breaks a weakness under it, I'm willing to long as well. Let me show you why I'll be longing. Good. Thank you. That's a good question. Why I'll be longing is this. Simply this. Let me show you. I'm going to show you. This is a very nice setup. What a sweet setup. Massively sweet. Massively sweet. I love it. It's quite interesting and very sweet. Very, very sweet. Let me show you why I'll be longing on USD, JPY. Let me show you guys. Because of what we are on an area of concentration. Can you see now? This is the last high we had here. Market broke it and come back to that high. This is an area of what concentration. This is at 160.50. Area of what we call concentration. What a very sweet time to long. Very sweet, man. Very, very sweet. I was super excited seeing kind of setup because it's so sweet. These are the setup we can use to flip, man. And get it. And amazingly, is that it's gonna be playing out. It might pay out for the whole of the week. It might be a buy for the whole of the week because the mightiness will be crazy, guys. Please don't miss any of these trades, and I hope you learn something from today's class, guys. Don't forget to join us again on Telegram. Of course, we have a family on Telegram where we actually send daily and blessed and a fantastic signals every blessed day. These are the things you can enjoy and make money with us. The sky is too large, it's too big for everyone to make money. Why are you stepping out? Why are you being outside? Why are you still at the other side? Join us and let's do this together, guys. I hope you learned something from this video and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, or let me have your view about any of these trades. Let me know also the trade or the pair you want me to analyze or you want me to analyze and give it to you guys. Thank you and bye for now, guys. See you on the inside. Bye for now, guys. Peace out. Wish you a profitable week ahead.